Hello, I am here to show you some things I have built, which are primarily airships. Those ones aren't mine. This is my first airship. It's a boat. Then we go up to this one, which is my second airship. Has a bit more room. And some actual rooms. This is a cargo ship, kind of, for transporting goods. This one is another airship. This one is kind of a blimp. Control center. Station, whatever you call it. I don't know why I put this here, just for looks. Turbines, I also don't know if I put a turbine on this one. I did not. Strange. Then time for this one. It is my biggest so far. It has many rooms. Kind of a dining area. A room that you can put anything in. I have 6 of these. Balcony area. Balcony area. Now this is a aircraft carrier, so another cargo ship. As you can see, a runway. Another room. But this is the engine room. It's just a bunch of fuel. This is, I guess, a supplies room for a tool room, a closet, whatever you can call it. Then we can go down to the lower area. This is another aircraft that's just laying here. Massive runway. More, I don't know how to call this, so call it whatever you want. I guess railing? There's another balcony over there. Then stairs down to the lower area. You can store anything that you need. Then we go to the upper area again. I think there's another way to get up there. Did I not make a way to get up there? I don't think I did. Okay, well that ain't good. There's no possible way to get up here. I will fix that. Right here. No, right here. Apparently not. Never mind. I bet I can, yep, put it right here. control station. Sadly, I do not have aeronautics. Thought I seen something weird. Then time for my last one. A small airship. But I actually lied to you. There's another one. So I'll show you that one right now. Here it is. It ain't the best. But this one is a attack airship carrier. With the command center. A cargo bay that can store probably one of my small airships. And the docking station. And have a gas powered, I guess, pod? This is actually the first one I made. Feel something. Forgot that you had to jump on some of these fires to make the balloon float. The massive balloon. And the thrusters. And these cannons actually do shoot. They are autocannons. Then there are non-auto cannons. Oh hey, those ones actually have some fire charge in them. Here's another auto. There we go. This one has some fuel in it. And what I mean by fuel, I mean by fire charge. Not that one. Probably because there's builds over there. And there is the one on the front. There's also a whole bunch down here. And that's it. Hope you have enjoyed my aircraft builds. And see you in the next one.